Meaning of decanter.
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 Decanter. A decanter is a vessel used to hold and pour wine or other liquids. It typically has a stopper or cork to seal the contents inside, and a wide base to allow for aeration or breathing of the liquid. Decanters are often made of glass or crystal and come in various shapes and sizes. They are used to separate sediment from older wines, enhance the flavor and aroma of younger wines, and provide an elegant way to serve and display beverages. Overall, a decanter is a practical and stylish accessory for any wine enthusiast.